So what is the cost of L4-l5 disc bulge surgery in India? If you are living abroad and if you want to come to India for your L4-l5 disc bulge surgery, what kind of cost you have to look into as an international patient? So in India, if I have to categorize and make things simpler for you, I would tell you that Indian hospitals are generally of three different kinds. One is a proper high-end hospital which surpasses all the standards of the world, or beats, I would say, all the standards of the world. We have massive, big, huge hospitals which are great, perfect, and loaded with full luxury. And then we have middle-class centers which are quite good in terms of clinical care, but a little bit simple in terms of domestic health, like the rooms may not be looking very flashy in nature. And then we have ultra basic facilities, or you can call them lower middle class hospitals. So the cost varies between all three different kind of hospitals. Now, for an international patient, I would give you a rough estimate of the price as of 2024. So if you have an L4-l5 disc and you are coming to India for that kind of surgery, the cost would range from a smaller hospital. It would be somewhere around 1,000 US dollars to a middle class decent center with good medical facilities to somewhere around 2,000 US dollars, and to in a 5-star hospital to somewhere around maybe 4,000 US dollars. So approximately 1,000 in a very small hospital. In a middle class good center, it will be around 2,000, and it's around $4,000 in a high-end hospital. Obviously, this price is very much variable depending upon the kind of hospital you go to, the kind of city you travel to, the kind of doctor you meet, the kind of room service you use. If you're in a suite or a single room or a twin sharing room or a general ward, there are many variables. But to keep the price simple, I'm going to tell you that it starts from $1,000 and to a very, very small center. But to a basic hospital, it's $2,000 in India for an microscopic spine surgery or an endoscopic discectomy. However, if you have a listhesis or if you require a fusion surgery, the prices are considerably higher. If you require screws and if you require cages, or if you require a TLF surgery or a fusion surgery, the price will be higher as the cost of implant adds to it. So if there is a TLF surgery, the cost will start like $2,000 at a very small hospital, will go up to approximately $3,500 at a middle class center, and at a top level center it may start from $5,000. Obviously, the cost varies with the kind of screws you put in and the amount of hospital stay the patient requires. During a normal decompression L4-l5 surgery, as I discussed, the prices are less because the surgery is ultra simple and the patient generally gets discharged next day because he's totally pain-free. However, in fusion surgeries, a patient needs to stay in hospital at least 3 days, sometimes 2 days in case of endoscopic fusions, but mostly 3 days and up to 5 days. So that's why that adds to the cost. And also the implant. Some of the implants which are very, very costly may range or may increase the price of your spine surgery to up to 8,000 to 9,000 US dollars also. But on a regular basis, the spine surgeries can be very easily performed at 3,000 US dollars for a fusion surgery. So I hope that clears up the cost. There are few exclusions, however. I have not included the flight cost of you traveling to India, and also I have excluded the pre-operative investigations that may range somewhere around $200 to $300 depending upon the kind of facility you use in India. But into $200 to $300, or most of the investigations can be easily done unless and until patient requires any very, very special kind of investigation. So that is the average cost of the spine surgery of L4-l5 in India. If you have any queries regarding the cost, or you're planning something like that, if you're thinking you need to come to India, me and our team will be able to help you in terms of giving you the almost exact estimate of your travel. For your queries, you can always use the WhatsApp number given below or the email address. And if you're coming to India, we welcome you most, and Most of the centers in India are super highly equipped, and we have fabulous spine surgeons in India with great care to you. So welcome, and we believe when you leave India, you'll be having great memories and a pain-free future ahead. I wish for your recovery very, very, very soon. Thank you very much. And if you like my channel, or if you like this video, kindly share it or subscribe it to give me the confidence and the push so that I'll keep on doing the good work and keep on bringing on good videos for you guys. Thank you very much.